Hey you, how are you, first grade? Okay, so we're going to practice adding the ones and we're going to regroup the ones too. Let's take a look at this example. Don't mind me while I move my video screen to the right. Okay, all right. So we have 62 plus 9. So, what should we do first to add 62 and 9? The first step is to add the ones. We're going to always add the ones first. So, let's start adding the ones. 2 ones plus 9 ones is how many ones? 11 ones. So, let's write the 11 in the ones column. Wait, we can't do that, right? We can't write 11 in the ones column. That's too many numbers in the ones column. Each column of this place value chart, we can only write one number, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, and that's it. Okay? So, we're not supposed to write a 2-digit number in one column in the place value chart. So now what should we do? We need to what? Do you remember? We have to regroup the ones. Okay, so to regroup the ones, we have to see, well, how many ones were there again? There were 11 ones. And now we want to change all the ones in 11 into a 10, and what are the leftover ones? What I like to do is I like to write out the number in a place value chart. Okay. So here's my number 11. Okay. How many 10s are there? 1. How many 1s are there? 1. Ta-da, there it is. And so now there's 110. So I'm going to write this 110 right here in the tens column here, okay? And then we have 1, 1, so I'm going to write that here in the ones column at the bottom here. Now, what's the next step? So we already finished adding the ones, and then we regroup the ones. Step 2 is to add the tens. All right, so let's see, how many tens are there? Well, I have 1 10 here, right? And then I have 6 tens here. Here I have 0 tens here because there's nothing there, so that's 0 tens. So 1 10 plus 6 tens plus 0 tens is 7 tens. Where do we write that? Oh, we write it right there in the tens column in the answer spot. So 62 plus 9 is 71. All right, now it's your turn. I'm going to move my video screen so you can practice this and pause the video and play the video when you're ready, okay? All right, see you soon. Hi, you're ready. Welcome back. Okay, so let's take a look. We have 7 ones plus 5 ones is 12 ones. Now, I want to regroup the 12 ones. So again, I'm going to look at my place value chart and write 12. Okay. Oh, hey, what is this? How many 10s are there? There's 1 10 and how many ones? There's 2 ones. Okay, so 12 ones is regrouped as 1 10 and 2 ones. Let's try number 2. Okay. Number 2 says 9 ones plus 6 ones is 15 ones. Let's write it in our place value chart. 15 ones is how many 10s and how many ones? Oh, it's 1 10 and 5 ones. That's 15 ones. Okay. All right. Let's try number 3. number 3, we're adding 75 and 8. Okay, but first we need to add, let's see, we need to add the ones. So we have to add 5 ones plus 8 ones, and that's 13 ones. So let's regroup because that's more than 9. Okay, so 13 ones is, I'm going to write 13 in my place value chart. Okay, oh, it's 110 and 3 ones. So we're going to put a 1 in the 10 spot, which is above the 7 over here. Do you see that? Okay. And then, what do I write in the answer spot in the ones? I have to write my 3. Okay. So I regroup the ones, and now I'm going to add the 10s. 1 plus 7 is 8. So it's 83. Is this coming back to you? We did this a couple months ago together, over and over again. All right, let's look at number 4. We have 87 plus 6. So, very first thing we need to do is add the 1. So, let's add 7 and 6. 7 and 6 make, oh, it makes 13. All right. So, I wrote 13 in my place value chart. So, we have to regroup 13 into 10s and 1s. How many 10s are in 13? 1, 10. So I'm going to write the 110 above the 8. And then what should I write in the answer spot for the 1s? I have to write a 3. Okay. And then we have to add the 10s next. So 110 plus 810 is 9 10s. So 87 plus 6 is 93. How'd you do? I hope you rocked it. Okay. Well, that's all for today. It was a short lesson. Keep practicing, and we will see each other tomorrow in video land. Okay, bye.